Hello viewers and welcome to Basic Chemistry 1. The topic of this video is gram molecular mass and mole. First of all, we will have a look at the definition of molecular mass. So the molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass of that substance, and this molecular mass in gram is also known as the gram molecule of that substance, or sometimes 1 gram molecule of that substance. Some of the very common examples of gram molecular mass or 1 gram molecule of a substance include the following. We know that the relative molecular mass, or simply the molecular mass of water, is 18 AMU, so the gram molecular mass of water, that is H2O, is 18 grams. Similarly, the gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams and that of sulfuric acid is 98 grams. The molecular mass, or simply the relative molecular mass of substances, was expressed in atomic mass units, AMUs. Here we are expressing it in grams. That is, you will have to take the mass of a substance in actual grams that we used in our daily life uh, as gram molecular mass of that substance. Now note that the gram molecular mass of a substance is also called 1 mole of that substance. Now the mole is also a quantitative and a counting unit as well as a counting unit. Now note that uh, it is a number. It is a number. The number is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. This number is also known as Avogadro number, and anything equal in numbers to 6.023, that is into 10 raised to power 23, that is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 items of anything, they are equal to 1 mole. Just like the in our daily life we say that 12 items make 1 dozen of that substance. Similarly, 144 items of anything make 1 gross of that substance. Similarly, when we take 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 items of any substance, so they are equal to 1 mole. They are called 1 mole of that substance. So actually the number of atoms in gram molecular mass of a substance are equal to this number. That is why the gram atomic mass, a gram molecular mass of a substance, whether it is an element or a compound, is also known as 1 mole of that substance. In our one of our previous videos, we have discussed the molecular mass or the molecular masses of substances. For example, we take the molecular mass of water as 18 AMU. Similarly, we know that the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 AMU, and that of the H2SO4 sulfuric acid molecular mass is equal to 18 AMU. Now, these are different masses of different substances, but all these masses represent one molecule. These masses represent one molecule of each of these substances. For example, 18 AMU H2O means only one molecule of water. Similarly, 44 AMU's carbon dioxide means one molecule of carbon dioxide, and 98 AMU sulfuric acid. When you take 98 AMU sulfuric acid, this is a unit of mass, you take one molecule of that substance. Now numerically, if you take the same numerical masses, that is 18, 44, 98, but in grams, not in AMUs, you are taking the masses in grams with the help of analytical balance. So numerically, as these masses represent the same number of molecules, that is one molecule of each of these substances, so you are increasing the mass in the same ratio. Instead of 18 AMU, you are taking 18 gram for water. Instead of 44 AMU for carbon dioxide, you are taking 44 grams of carbon dioxide. So here they will again have the same number of molecules, and these numbers, this number has been determined, has been find out that this number is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23, and as I told you that this number is known as 1 mole. So when you are taking the gram molecular mass of a substance or the molecular mass of a substance in grams with the help of the analytical balance or electrical balance, you are actually taking 1 mole molecules of that substance. So that is how I hope it is clear now to you that how the molecular mass of a substance and mole are interrelated with each other. and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do comment if you have any suggestion or any question. Please write down them in the comments box below the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates and for my latest videos.